Michael Aaron Primer, the Woodpecker. This is such a fun song. Well, first it's got staccato. Those little short notes, that's for the tap, 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 tap of the woodpecker. And that's in our left hand, we'll have some staccato notes. Only legato in the right hand. The left hand, you're starting on your finger position as the pinky on C3. But you're not going to be playing C3 or D3. You're only going to be playing two notes. You'll either be playing an E3 or an F3. That's the whole part for the left hand, and that's what starts us off. Let's do it another time. E, 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 F, F, F. Very nice. The right hand, on the other hand, is going to be placed so that the thumb is on the G. So it's in a G position. And here's what the right hand plays. G, G, A, B, C, G. That's pretty easy, right? G, G, A, B, C, G. That was the first line. Let's put it all together. E, 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 F, F, F. G, G, A, B, C, G. Second line is almost the same as the first. E, 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 F, F, F. G, G, A, B, C only because C is a whole note. So let's take it and I'll count it this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.